Hi guys, I hope you're having the best day. Today we are here to do a super simple beginner style yoga practice. So I've been practicing yoga for quite a few years now, on and off, and although I'm not a yoga teacher, I'm definitely not a certified yoga teacher. I have done a lot of yoga, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a simple yoga practice. As with all exercise videos that I post, if you have an injury or if you are worried about hurting yourself, I would suggest you consult with a health professional before you engage in any type of physical activity. But this is going to be a low impact, gentle yoga routine that you can do from home with no equipment, just a yoga mat if you have one, otherwise on a carpet is fine as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So we're starting in a cross-legged seated position, and we are firstly just going to take some deep breaths. I'm going to move on to my side here, and we're going to go into a tabletop position. So you'll want to place your hands about shoulder width apart. Then we move into the cat-cow posture. So you breathe in as you arch your back and look up, and then you breathe out as you round your back and look towards your knees. I find this movement really helps me get my breath in tune with my body so that I'm moving with my breath, and that is really the aim of yoga, is to calm yourself down but also to connect to your body and mind. You can also add in a bit of movement as I'm doing here if that feels good for you, but otherwise just continue with the traditional cat-cow posture. So now we are moving into downwards dog, and you want to pedal out your feet here so that you can get a bit deeper into this pose. It really helps stretch out the backs of your legs and your glutes. It's a great posture for your whole body really, as you're also using your arms. My cat decided to come in. This is Mocha, if you haven't met him already. He's a Burmese. Anyway, we are moving forward into a plank position, and then put your knees down, and then you want to slowly lower yourself down to the ground. Then we're doing a baby cobra, so you're lifting up your chest but not too high. You can lift it up a bit higher as I'm doing now if you want, otherwise stay in the baby cobra. And then we are going back into a child's pose. So if at all throughout this routine you are feeling like an exercise is too difficult for you, just simply move into this child's pose position and wait until you feel like you can rejoin the flow. So now move back into a tabletop position, and then bring your right leg forward. You just want to feel it here. So you just want to push forward until you are feeling it down here. If you can feel it already, just hold on to a wall like I am. Otherwise, you can lean forward. Or if you're a bit more advanced, you can try this movement. So wherever you're at, we're going to stand up into a lunge. Again, if you're finding this very difficult, hold onto a wall. What we're going to do is take a big inhale, and exhale, turn to your side. So you want to have this knee tracking just over your foot, not too far ahead or too far back. You just want it to be in line. And have your arms a nice straight line. We're looking over our right arm to the front, and then we're going to bend towards this front. You want to think of having an open chest and really stretching out the side of your body. Stay here for a few breaths, and then we will move to the other side. Deep breath in and exhale. Breaths here. inhale, straighten your front leg, and then we're going to be moving forward. You should feel this right in your groin here. If you find this very easy, we can then turn to do a triangle pose. However, for many of you, if you're beginners, this is enough, and what you want to do is move your body, your top half of your body forwards and look towards the front. Now back to the center, you're going to move your toes inwards a little bit. Take a nice deep breath. And we're going to fold forward. If you can only go to here, that's more than enough. Otherwise, hands on the ground or hands to your ankles.
Just go to a point that feels comfortable for your body and hold that for a few seconds as we take some nice deep breaths.
So carefully bend your knees on the way up because you don't want to injure your knees at all there. So now we are going to the left side into that same warrior pose. And get that angle. Knee tracking over the toes, and move to this side. And then again, straighten that leg, move your body forward. And if you can feel that in here, just stop there. Otherwise, if you want to go a bit deeper into the pose, you turn your body to the side and you just have your hand placed there, looking upwards. But let's just stay in this position for now. Alright, got to do one more forward fold. We're going to go into the lunge on the other side.
Again, hold onto the wall if needed.
And then slowly down and stretch out this front side as well.
You can either stay upright and hold the wall, or you can bend forwards like so. Otherwise, you can also do the more difficult variation that I'm demonstrating now, where you push up from a low lunge into a triangle-like posture.
Just stay over here. Alright, so now we're going to go into some sun salutations. So we're going to take a deep breath in and exhale.
As you fold to the floor, inhale and lift up to halfway. Exhale and bend towards the floor, and then we are moving into a plank position. Slowly release your knees down to the floor and then lift back up into a cobra position or an upwards dog. And then we move back into a downwards dog. So you can pedal out your feet here again if that feels good for you. Otherwise, just stay still in that downwards dog position. Then we are moving forward and rest your knees down. Take another flow up into upwards dog and then back into a child's pose. So take a few breaths here. Then we're going back into our downward dog. Take a nice step forward and take a nice deep breath. And back to our starting position.
So we're going to do 2 more of those.
Inhale, exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down into a plank and knees down. Take a nice flow here. Back into downwards dog. Again, pedal out if you want to. Then we will be moving back into our plank and knees down. Take another flow, cobra position, back into child's pose. Some deep breaths here as you stretch out your back and your arms. Back into tabletop and back up into downwards dog. And take a nice step forward. Deep breath up to halfway. Exhale and then inhale to stand up. So just one more time, inhale, exhale as you fold forward. And for this last round, I want you to go at your own pace and do what feels right for you. I'm going to be silent for this next 10-15 seconds, just so you can do what feels good for you and go at your own rhythm.
Right, so now make your way to a seated position. We are just going to do some simple stretches to calm down the body. Firstly, a side stretch. And to the other side. Then you can go right to left. From side to side. Arms up to down. And if it feels good for you, you can do all the way around. And to the other side. Right, so now we're going to do a twist stretch.
So inhale, and as you exhale, put your right hand onto your left knee and twist. Take a few deep breaths here, and with each exhale, move a little deeper into the position.
And to the other side.
Then take another deep breath, and as you exhale, put your left hand onto your right knee and twist the other side. Again, with each exhale, try and get a little bit deeper into the twist.
Chai has decided to join me on the mat. He says hi. Anyway, now we're going to take some more deep breaths. Now, I want you to get into a comfortable position. It can either be sitting like so, or lying on your back. You can go down to corpse pose like so, or if you find it more comfortable, you can have your knees up so your back is more flat.
So now it's time to quiet your mind. Imagine you are walking through a forest, a beautiful forest with the light trickling through the leaves down onto your skin. It's warm and you are safe. And in the distance you see a clearing and you're drawn towards it. As you get closer, you see that there is a beautiful house there, the house of your dreams, everything you've ever wanted. And as you step inside, time stops. You have all the time in the world to do whatever you want in this special place. What would you do? Would you paint? Would you read? Would you just sit and be? This is your time. And as you walk away from the house after spending whatever time there you wanted, you feel a sense of calmness and a sense of peace that you have been able to do exactly what you want. Know that you can come back to this place, this sanctuary in your mind whenever you wish. If your life becomes stressful or chaotic, know that you have the tool to go to a safe place in your brain. And with that, start moving your fingers and your toes and make your way into a seated position.
I hope you enjoyed this yoga practice and guided meditation. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and also please let me know in the comment section below if you practice yoga yourself or if you are new to it and how you found this video. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!